Hey again, in this video we're going to show you how to set up essential automations for your e-commerce store. The welcome automation and the abandoned cart. So let's go to the automations, and it's already suggesting us to set up the abandoned cart workflow. So let's preview it and start it immediately. So in the image you can already see the steps that the automation is going to take. So let's continue on with the setup. And in step 2, it's going to suggest you to use SMS messages as well in your automation. That is entirely up to you if you would prefer to use it or not. In my case, I'm only going to use an email channel. So let's start the workflow. And voila, we have a confirmation about the abandoned cart workflow is already being active. Let's click on Show My Workflows and we are taken to this page. We can already see the abandoned cart is enabled, but we can also create a welcome workflow as well. Let's click over here and let's click on one of these options. So there are two options over here because they are slightly different. One of them includes only one email and the other one includes an email and an SMS. In my case, I'm just going to use a very simple one email option. So the way welcome automation works is subscribers enter this workflow when they sign up via an Omnisend form, the form that we have set up in step number 2. And once they do, automation waits for 1 minute and then sends this specific email. And if you want to edit the content of the email, you can click over here. And it's going to take you to the email builder. In our case, it just welcomes the new users and then offers a 10% off discount code. But don't forget to actually input the discount code over here, which you would need to generate on Shop Plaza side in order to display it, because it doesn't generate it automatically. You need to add it manually. So let's finish editing. So we are good to go with the welcome workflow, so let's give it a hit. Let's go ahead and start it. And once we're taken back to all of the automations that are currently active, let's also check out the abandoned cart one, which we have already enabled before. So the customers entered this workflow when they add an item to their cart. It's going to send an email first, wait for another 11 hours, send another email, and wait for another 12 hours to send another email. And it's as simple as that. If you feel like it, you can also add an SMS notification, a push notification, or even split your audience into 2 separate segments or A/B test your emails. There are multiple options you can choose from in the automation builder. And there you go. You now have 2 essential automations enabled for your account. See you in the next one.